Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome back to English with Arthur and Emily. I'm Emily.
And I'm Arthur. Hey everyone, how are you today?
We're so happy you're here with us. Today we have a super important lesson.
Yes, today we're learning how to start a conversation in English.
That's right. Many students tell us, Emily, Arthur, I know English words, but I don't know how to start talking to someone.
Oh, I remember that feeling. You see someone, you want to say hello, but your brain goes empty.
Exactly. So today, we're going to fix that problem. We'll teach you easy, natural ways to start conversations.
And hey, before we start, if you're new here, welcome to our English family. Please hit that like button.
And subscribe because we make learning English fun and easy every week. Okay, so lesson number 1. When you meet someone new, what do you say first?
Hello?
Perfect. Yes. Hello is the most basic greeting. Very simple, very easy.
But Emily, is hello formal or casual?
Great question. Hello is actually good for both. You can say hello to your friend, to your teacher, to your boss, everyone.
Ah, so it's like universal.
Yes, universal greeting. But we have more options. Listen to these. Emily. Hi, very casual, friendly. Hey, super casual for friends. Good morning, before 12 p.m. Good afternoon, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Good evening, after 6 p.m.
Hi. Hey. Good morning.
Beautiful. Now, Arthur, here's a question. What comes after the greeting?
How are you?
Yes, perfect. How are you is the most common question in English.
Oh, but Emily, can I tell you something funny?
What?
Okay, so when I first learned English, I thought how are you was a real question. So I would say, well, I'm a little tired because I woke up late and my breakfast was cold
Oh no, Arthur.
and the person would just look at me like, dude, I just said hello.
Okay, learners, listen. How are you is usually not a real question. It's just polite conversation.
So the answer is usually very simple, like,
I'm good, thank you. I'm fine, thanks. Great. How about you? Pretty good.
and then you ask them back, how are you? Or, and you?
Exactly. It's like a little dance. They ask, you answer, you ask back. All right, learners, let's practice together. I'll say a greeting and question. You repeat after me. Ready?
Take your time. Don't worry about perfect pronunciation.
Okay, here we go. Hello. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is. How about you?
Awesome. You did great.
Remember, practice makes progress.
Okay, so we said hello, we told our name, we said nice to meet you, but then, now you're introducing yourself. You tell them your name. My name is Arthur.
Perfect. But we have different ways to say this. Listen, Emily. Hi, very casual, friendly. Hey, super casual for friends. Good morning, before 12 p.m. Good afternoon, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Good evening, after 6 p.m. Emily. Hi, very casual, friendly. Hey, super casual for friends. Good morning, before 12 p.m. Good afternoon, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Good evening, after 6 p.m. Emily. Hi, very casual, friendly. Hey, super casual for friends. Good morning, before 12 p.m. Good afternoon, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Good evening, after 6 p.m. I recommend I'm or my name is. These are easiest and most natural.
Yeah, I'm Arthur. Sounds friendly and simple.
Now, after you say your name, you usually ask their name, like this.
Hi, I'm Arthur. What's your name?
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you hear that? Nice to meet you. This is super important.
When you meet someone for the first time, always say, nice to meet you.
Or you can say, nice to meet you, pleased to meet you, a little formal, great to meet you.
Emily, what if I meet them a second time? Can I still say, nice to meet you?
No. Second time, you say, nice to see you again. Good to see you. Hey, how have you been?
Ah, meet for first time, see for after.
Exactly. You got it.
Okay, Emily, so I said hello, I told my name, I said nice to meet you, but then, what do I say next? That's when my brain stops.
Ah, yes. This is the hard part. This is where you need small talk.
Small talk? What's that?
Small talk is easy, friendly conversation about simple topics. It's how you keep the conversation going.
Oh, like what?
Okay, here are the best small talk starters. 1. Talk about the weather. Weather is the easiest topic. Everyone can talk about it.
Nice weather today.
Beautiful day, right?
It's so cold today.
Perfect. Weather is safe, easy, and natural. 2. Ask about their day.
How's your day going? How was your weekend? Any plans for today?
Oh, I like this one. How's your day? Very friendly. Right? And people usually say something like pretty good or busy but good. 3. Compliment something. You can compliment their clothes, their bag, something nice.
I like your jacket. Cool shoes. Nice bag.
And they usually say thank you. Then maybe you can ask, where did you get it?
Oh, so the compliment starts the conversation.
Exactly. You're getting it. 4. Ask about work or study.
What do you do? Means what's your job? Where do you work? What do you study?
What do you do? I'm a teacher. I teach English. How about you?
Oh, cool. I'm a teacher too.
Really? What a coincidence. Where do you teach? At a local school. I love it. Hey, I should go now. I have a class soon.
Oh, sure. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great day.
You too. See you around.
See? Natural, easy, friendly.
And it wasn't scary at all.
Okay, wonderful learners. We're near the end of today's lesson.
But before we finish, we want to tell you something important.
Starting conversations in English can feel scary. We know that.
Your heart beats fast, your hands get sweaty, you think, what if I make a mistake?
But here's the truth. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Yes, I make mistakes in English every single day.
Me too, but that's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
You know what's amazing? Every time you try to start a conversation, you become braver.
Yes, every hello makes you stronger. Every question makes you better.
So don't wait for perfect English. Start now.
Say hello to someone today in English.
It can be hello to your neighbor, to a classmate, to a cashier.
Just try, and remember, we believe in you.
We really do. You can do this.
Okay, let's quickly recap what we learned today.
Yes, so remember.
Start with a greeting. Hello, hi, good morning.
2. Ask, how are you? And answer simply.
3. Introduce yourself. I'm Emily, or my name is Emily.
4. Say, nice to meet you when you first meet someone.
5. Use small talk. Weather, day, compliments, work questions.
6. End politely. Nice talking to you. See you later.
And that's it. 6 easy steps to start any conversation.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Yes, we want to know, what's your biggest fear when starting a conversation in English?
Are you scared of making mistakes? Scared of not understanding? Scared people will judge you?
Tell us, and we'll help you in future videos.
And if this video helped you, please give us a big thumbs up.
And if you're not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button.
Because every week we make learning English easy and fun.
We have lessons about grammar, speaking, vocabulary, and more. Remember, practice a little bit every day.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you're doing amazing.
And guess what? We have many more episodes just like this one.
Yes, you can find more lessons on greetings, introductions, and everyday conversations.
Check out our other episodes and keep improving your English with us.
See you in the next episode.